Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. The reason why I'm holding my mic like this is because I'm in a coffee shop, which was very quiet when I sat down, but now it's not so quiet, so I gotta hold the mic closer to my mouth. Anyway, welcome back to another episode. This is Supercar Tribe, and I'm Andy Rasool. So, I've been using the Ferrari California since I've got it, and since I've flown back into Saudi Arabia. I've been using it pretty much every day as my everyday driver. I drive it to work, I drive it to the gyms, to the supermarket, everywhere, literally everywhere. I go for a takeaway, I take the Ferrari. And I have to say I've been loving it. But what I'm going to do is take it to one of the workshops, or take it to the workshop that I go to, and put it up on the ramp. There's a few things that I want to have a closer look at, and I can't do that with the wheels on the ground. So I'm going to take it to the workshop. But whilst I'm there, you're going to see something that is probably going to be a bit of a shock to you, because we're going to have a walk around the workshop first of all. And whilst we're there, you'll see my Bentley Arnage, and it's not quite in the state that you're thinking it is. So I will have a more in-depth video on the Bentley Arnage, and I don't think I've mentioned on the channel what's actually happened to it. But it's not good, but you'll see it in the video. Anyway, we'll have a walk around the workshop, check out the Arnage, and then check out the Ferrari. So let's hop over and take a look. So let's go and check out the Bentley Arnage and see what's been done to it so far. You can see that the boot's full of, looks like fans and things like that. But actually I was more shocked by this. I don't know why I wasn't expecting this. I should have expected it, but that's my engine, guys. There's a big hole in the top over there, and my engine is down on this bench. And I don't know what to say. I'm a bit shocked, to be honest, but it's good to see the engine out. But yeah, that's my engine. Can't believe it. So it looks like that the heads are back on, and that's a good thing. I don't think that the air intake manifolds are bolted in yet, because they're waiting on the gaskets for those. So I think that is yet to be done. But yeah, that is the engine block and the transmission over here, and that's the hole. That is the hole in my engine. I might try and get them to give that a clean if they can. I don't know if it's worthwhile doing, but I'm just thinking whilst it's out of the car, to give it a clean. But that is it. That is it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And so this is the reason why it's been up on the ramp, because they can't get it off, because there's no engine in it. But it'll be good once it's all completed. So here we've got a lowered Phantom, not by choice. Looks like the suspension is collapsed on this. So as well as the Phantom, what else do we have in here today? So I should say it's a Phantom drop head coupe. We've got a Bentley Continental GT over there. Got a Phantom over there, early model. And then over this side we've got a white Arnage. Sorry, no, this is the Rolls-Royce Silver Serif. Similar shape to the Arnage, but we do have still the blue Arnage over here, Arnage T. We've got some parts that are on order for that. And then we've got the Rolls-Royce Camargue, which was at one time the most expensive car in the world. Rolls-Royce built, Pininfarina designed, and to be honest with you, I really like it. I know it's a little bit Marmite. I think people now are really beginning to like this car, but I really like this car. Got a really lovely British Racing green flying spur, which is really nice actually. It's got a red pinstripe down the side as well. And yeah, let's check out the interior of this, because this is quite a unique interior. So red leather with the, I think it's maple wood, and the turned aluminium dash as well. So it's really unusually spec'd, but British Racing green, which is very unusual for Saudi Arabia. So what else do we have? We've got a Jaguar XJ6, I think these are. A BMW Z1 in the back over there. That's got some door problems, so it's ongoing issues with that. Silver Shadow, got a drop head coupe, Phantom drop head coupe, which I absolutely love, one of my all-time favorite cars. I love the rear line, the lines of that rear window. It kind of, for me, reminds me of like an American muscle car, you know. So, but yeah, I mean, very Rolls-Royce at the same time. Got some Phantoms, a G-Wagon, an old Mercedes. So yeah, nice collection of cars, and another Arnage at the back over there. Probably the largest collection of Arnages in Saudi Arabia. It looks to be another Arnage over there in the back as well. So here's another look at that Z1. Really do like this. It looks like it's had a colour change, because that's usually body colour. So either the seats have changed or the car colour has changed. Yeah, and then we've got that Jag again, and the Flying Spur. So here we've got the back of the Carmog. So decent sized boots if you're looking to travel around in it. And of course the Phantom. Always like these Phantoms. Not sure why it's up by suspension issues, I imagine. But yeah, always been a big fan of these. So as I suspected on the Rolls-Royce suspension, but look at that. Look at that. That is just insane. It almost looks like a tractor tire. Yeah, that is just crazy. I've never seen that happen to a tire before. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and eliminate the squeaking sound. It seems to be from something from the exhaust. Exhaust rattling, hopefully just a loose connection or something like that, but let's have a look once we get it up. But it's going to be covered underneath, so we'll probably have to take off the covers first of all. But we'll get a look of the underneath of the car while we're at it. So the noise is coming from here. Yeah, it's definitely from here. Yeah, so it seems like we've got something rattling inside of the exhaust. We're probably going to need to open that up if it doesn't disappear. It could well be that, you know, it goes with time. Hoping it does, but if it doesn't, we'll have to open up the exhaust. It seems like there's something rattling on the inside. The other thing that we're going to do now is we're going to test the roof. I mentioned in a previous video that I hadn't tested the roof when I bought the car, and yeah, I got a few comments back saying, can't believe you didn't test the roof, and you know, all sorts of stuff like that, which is true. I can't believe it either, but I was out of the country and I was keen to buy the car, and I'd been told that there may possibly be some issue with the roof, although the owner said it did work. So I thought, if I test the roof outside of the workshop and it doesn't go up or it doesn't go down, then I'm buggered. So I thought, the car's in the workshop, let's check it out. So let's do that, and yeah, let's see. Hopefully it will work. So there you go, guys. That was a huge relief with the roof, I tell you, because obviously it's a convertible and the weather's getting cooler, and I wanted to make sure that the roof was working so that I could really enjoy the car. And given that it's a V8 roof down, going through tunnels and stuff is definitely the way to do it. So I wanted to make sure I could really enjoy the car. So yes, it did work. I don't know if it's going to cause me further problems down the line, so we'll have to continue to monitor it, and I will let you know if it does cause us problems. But so far so good. It gives me confidence to be able to use the roof. Few things that need to be done on the car: that hot start problem, check engine lights, the problem with the rattle in the exhaust, and a few other things as well. We will come to those in future videos, and we will work our way through. But I'm using this car every day. I'm expecting to do some long drives in this car. I'm expecting to do 2 trips, which is round trip about at least 2,000 kilometers each. And one of those is actually driving to Dubai. So I'm going to be driving to Dubai and making a video on that as well. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on this because I'm really enjoying it. I was a little bit apprehensive at first, but now I am really enjoying the car. And yeah, I'm loving it, to be honest with you. So well, thank you very much for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, it really helps us out with the algorithm. And we're inching closer to 1K subscribers, so big milestone coming up. And we're looking to do weekly videos. So hope you're enjoying it, and we look forward to showing our next video next week. Take care. All the best. Bye.